Okay, my name is Wajahat Chima, and I'm going to be doing homework number 2, question number 5. So we're given this function f of x equals ax squared, and for part A we have to figure out what the constant a is. So the bound for a function is for the absolute value of x is less than or equal to 1, and as you can see, it's x squared, so it's a parabola, and it's bounded in between 1. So this bound basically just means -1 is less than equal to x is less than or equal to 1. So that's what this bound means, and that's what it looks like. And you have to find a such that f of x is a density function. So for it to be a density function, it has to equal 1. We can write this out like this first. A is a constant. You can take it out. It's pretty simple. Integration right here. X 3/3. The limits are -1 to 1 equals 1. You just calculate this out. It comes out like this, and then a equals 3/2. Yeah. So the complete function would just equal f of x equals, with a being 3/2 x squared. I mean, you don't need these parentheses here, but it's fine. For part B, we're given m, and we're given it with this condition right here. -1 is less than x, which is less than a half, or 0.5, whatever you want to call it, or a half, 0.5, less than x, less than 1. And we have to find and draw f of x given m, which we can use. We can find this out. This is conditional probability. Again, we can find this out using this formula right here. We're going to set some limits, b and a. Over here, b is less than x, which is less than or equal to a. So when it follows that limit, it's 0 otherwise, as you can see. But when it follows that limit, small f of x equals f of a minus f of a. Alright, so f of x equals x cubed over 2. So we're gonna use one of these. It's basically some plugging going on. We're gonna use one of these examples. F of x equals x cubed over 2, which just plug in right there, -1 from right here. You plugging in -1 from here, which is equal to -1/2, and then f of -1/2 is -0.0625. So plug this in here. F of -0.5 to -1 equals 7/16 x squared. And this is what it looks like. It's you still have these bounds right here, -1 and 1. Still, you see like the parabola shape, but it doesn't completely go through. It's an even. It is an even function, so it's gonna have right here pretty symmetrical look right here. Well, completely symmetrical, 0.5 to 1, -0.5 to 1, and yeah, thanks for watching. This is what it looks like. Thanks for watching.